These are the men's Adidas crew socks. These are really great socks. If you wear white socks and you do crew socks, you absolutely want to check out the Adidas brand. I'm a repeat buyer of these. I've been buying these for a long time. They just are phenomenal. They really hold up a lot. You get a lot of wear and tear, a lot of use out of these. They clean really good. This is what they look like here when you pick them up. This is a 6-pack right here. Just pick these up. This is 3 of them outside of the packaging, so basically just come on this little hanger right here. But I'm very pleased with these socks. I like the fact it just has the little Adidas logo here. The rest of them are all white here, and you can just see they do have the cushion arch compression and the Climacool on these. These are the extra large ones. These are for like sizes 12 to 15. They do come in other sizes, but these are very versatile. Like I said, I've been using them for a very long time. Buy them over and over again. Every time I keep washing them. They last a tremendous amount of time. No complaints with them at all. Anytime I'm just going to refresh them, I just always go back to the same ones because, like I said, I'm very happy with them. So if you're looking for some white crew socks, absolutely want to check these out. They do come in other colors as well. I just like the white ones, and I highly recommend picking these up.